If you want to cut a portion of an image, then you need to use Lasso tool in the Photoshop. There are 3 choices for you in Lasso tool. Please copy the background layer first. 1. Lasso tool. Select Lasso tool. To draw a selection, drag over the image, which portion you want to cut. Then you will see a selection on the image. Then press delete from your keyboard or click copy option from edit button on the top. Magnetic lasso tool. If you have a contrasting image where 2 colors are totally different, you can use this lasso tool. Drag very slowly over the image, which portion you want to cut. You will see a selection on the image. Press delete from your keyboard or click copy option from edit button on the top. Polygonal lasso tool. This tool is the effective one among all lasso tools. After selecting polygonal lasso tool, click on the image where you want to cut. Then click several times according to the shape. Click last time where you have started the clicking. You will see a selection area on the image. Then press delete from your keyboard or click copy option from edit button on the top. Feather is a useful option where you want to add realistic look. Your cut portion image will be adjusted with the background by giving feather. The number of feathers we need to add, it depends on the image quality and background perspective.